So I'm pretty sure you all have met the iPad. This was in some of my earlier videos where I did an unboxing and an experiment. It was beautiful. We open it up. Wiggle. Yeah, I love this box, by the way. It's so cool. Put that over there. Alright, next we get into the big cheese, the iPad. Now we pick a corner, lift up, and here is the boy. Very beautiful, very elegant. We flip him on its back and we get a look at just the beauty. But what if I told you there was a possibility that I would be unboxing you today an iPad that was never used by anyone, never touched by human hands, like this one was, and it only costed me $25. We go through the accessories. Alrighty, let's get this out of the way, but carefully though. We don't want to damage it. Now, as you can see, it is not sealed by the reflections. Someone's been in here. Well, all doubts have exited the building, but when I saw the listing of just this, you know, it didn't have fingerprints on it, but let's hope. Okay. Nope. This has been opened. But let's see what we got in here. Oh! Some bootler. These apple stickers. Apple stickers! Apple stickers! Yes! Oh, and we get the SIM card tool. Did that guy have a SIM? He didn't have it. He didn't have a thing. Oh, yes. Oh, beauty. Now, if you look at this box, this says 2010. Apple refreshed this with the iPad 2 over here in 2011. This thing got iOS 9. This thing was stuck with iOS 5. This guy got ripped off. Alright, I'm betting $5 this thing is 5.1.1 on it. She's ready. Please be apps. Nothing. 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 No, that's very sad. But we got a 64 gig iPad, and you know what's got this thing? It's got cover flow. Cover flow on the iPad is the only reason why cover flow should exist. The ghosts are upset. I gotta go. But it wasn't unsuccessful. And there was no apps. So that's kind of heartbreaking. But we got a 64 gig iPad for podcasts, music, and so much stuff.